The Zojirushi NW-JEC10BA Rice Cooker utilizes advanced induction heating technology to deliver consistently high cooking temperatures, ensuring perfect rice every time. With a 5.5-cup capacity, this rice cooker is versatile enough to accommodate both small and large meals, making it ideal for families and gatherings. The appliance features an intuitive artificial intelligence-driven fuzzy logic technology that adapts cooking cycles for optimal results, enhancing convenience and precision. Its design includes a detachable and washable stainless steel inner lid, along with an easy-to-clean flat interior and a sleek stainless steel exterior, promoting hygiene and maintenance. The package comes complete with a rice spatula, a self-standing spatula holder, and a measuring cup, providing all the necessary tools for a seamless cooking experience. Proudly made in Japan, this rice cooker represents superior craftsmanship and quality, reflecting the manufacturer's commitment to excellence.